Hey everybody, THG back with you again. I am in the parking lot of Gray's Arch. It is time for the YouTuber Red River Gorge meetup. I've got Mr. Brian Carlson and Trail Medic over here.
Yo!
And we're hiking, we're night hiking. We've already got some people at camp, so stay tuned because it's going to be a fun weekend. Let's go. Okay, so first rookie mistake I have made. We got talking and getting our packs on, and I left the car without my water. So we're already like well, not 3/4. We're about a quarter into the trail.
We didn't laugh at him.
Yeah, they're still laughing at me. And forgot my water, so yeah. Have to go back out in the morning. These guys are going to share some water with me. Appreciate it. And good stuff. Onward. Hey everybody, we made it to camp. How you feeling?
Great.
How about you, Brian?
No
one cares. Anyway,
very good.
We had
finally you did something funny, you dumbass.
we got here, and there's people here already, but we're all set up, and it's about 11 o'clock, so we're just sitting around until we get tired. So see you in the morning. All right, good morning. It is raining. Imagine that. I think it's because these two are here. Yeah, I'm leaving that in. We got in about, 10:30 last night. We didn't get to bed till like midnight, but it's raining today and it's supposed to stop anytime now. And then other people will be showing up, but we've got people here already. It's going to be a good weekend, so stick with us. This will get more exciting, I promise.
2 weeks ago? What? There was something because you brought it up, but I don't remember exactly what it is at the moment.
Hanson's Point, y'all. Oh, that is cool. Very cool. Ooh, that's pretty. Even with the clouds. So pretty. All right, so Carlson just about walked into this spider. And the thing is, we just came through this way. This web, he just built this.
And we're going to tear it down.
We're going to tear it down.
Sorry, bro.
Sorry, Bo.
Fire in there. Oh, you ain't lying, man. Look at it. Holding on up there. Man, how are we going to split this?
I got a knife.
Oh, okay. You got a baton?
Look at all these YouTubers on the mound. That's crazy. There's a YouTuber. Well,
No. Not at all.
yeah, that's not a YouTuber. You have to make videos to be a YouTuber.
That's not me.
Who wants to do that?
Hey, Trail Medic, what do you think about this sunset behind you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you took too long.
I'm telling you, that was a pretty cool purchase. Talking about professional wrestling. We're talking about wrestling.
Okay.
Kentucky style.
Okay. What did you think about the sunset?
It's gorgeous.
Okay.
Yay.
Yay. How's your mama now?
I looked over and she was just like.
All right, y'all. So everybody's back from day hikes that they've done today. I haven't really filmed a whole lot, but we have a ton of people here, and lots of people showed up today. So everybody's eating dinner right now. We already got the fire started, so it's a good time.
I showed up in the dark. I slept out on that rock. I think so.